Many students ask one common question, and that is, should I do ACCA along with college? Is ACCA with college manageable? Well, the honest answer is it depends on your routine, discipline, and expectations. So, in this video, I'm not going to motivate you blindly. I'll help you decide whether ACCA with college actually suits you or not, and what you must realistically be prepared for. Now, before I proceed, let me share a quick update. I will be hosting a live ACCA webinar on 12th of February at 5 p.m. So if you have any questions related to ACCA qualification, join the session and clear all your doubts. You will find the link of the webinar in the description. Also share it with your friends who are planning to start ACCA or need the right guidance. First, let's start with the most important decision, and that is ACCA with college right for you or not? Should you even do ACCA with college? So here's a very simple test. If you can study at least 3 to 4 hours daily, you are comfortable with a longer but steady journey, you prefer understanding and application over shortcuts, and you can maintain self-discipline without any external pressure. If you are self-motivated to give 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours every day to study for ACCA, in that case, you can consider ACCA with college. But if you already feel overburdened with college exams and you like studying only during the exam time, you don't like studying daily, your goal is to finish ACCA unrealistically fast, jaldi se bas khatam karna hai. So that kind of a mindset won't work. And if you're one of those who struggle to maintain a strict, disciplined routine, 2 days you are studying and then you take a 4 days break. On the weekends, sometimes you study, sometimes you don't. Then, my dear students, you need not consider ACCA with college. You must drop this plan. So you need to decide out of the two categories, which category you fall in. Now let's come on to the second important part, that is why ACCA with college actually makes sense. So what are the benefits of doing both together? So if you're doing BCom or BBA and you plan to do ACCA along, what are the pros? So the first reason is flexibility. ACCA, is a flexible course. It is a flexible qualification. You can choose how many papers you want to attempt. You can choose when do you want to give your exams. So, that way you can balance both your college schedules as well as ACCA schedules. And you can also study at your own pace and study while doing college. Even if you're doing some job or internship, it becomes manageable because of the fact that ACCA is a very flexible qualification. Second important reason why you can do both together is because of subject similarity and paper exemptions. If you're doing BCom, you get certain exemptions. Also, you will find many topics that overlap. So, ACCA में कुछ ऐसे topics होंगे जो already आप commerce में, BCom में पढ़ रहे होगे. So, the point is that you don't have to start from the scratch. Beginning से आपको सब कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to start from zero. For example, the accounting that you're studying in your college, that is similar to what you will study in ACCA, financial accounting. Similarly, the costing that you are doing in your college, that is similar to what you will do in ACCA, management accounting. Also, business law and other business subjects that you're studying in your college, that are equivalent to ACCA's business and technology and corporate law papers. So because of this subject similarity, it will become easier for you to manage both. Another important reason of choosing to do ACCA with your graduation, with your college, is because of early professional exposure. By the time you will finish graduation, you already would know real accounting concepts and you will stand out in comparison to the students who are just holding degree, right? That will give you confidence early in your career. And reason number 4, you will get both college degree as well as professional qualification. So college degree will give you academic recognition. There will be strong backup and safety. At the same time, ACCA will give you skill-based learning. It will develop some important workplace skills in you. And plus, it will give you global recognition. So, usse kya hoga? That will make your CV stronger and it will open you up for more job opportunities, both in India and internationally. Now, let's talk about the ideal college-friendly daily study plan. So, in case you do plan to do ACCA with college, so what should be the ideal study plan? Let's discuss that. So what is going to be the plan on weekdays, Monday to Friday, or in some colleges, if Saturday is not off, then Monday to Saturday. Please ensure that at least minimum you give 3 hours every day. In certain cases, you can also give 4 hours or even 5 hours. So 3 to 5 hours is the ideal study time every day that you must allot to ACCA. That depends student to student, whether you can give 3 hours, 4 hours, or 5 hours, depending upon how demanding your college is, depending upon your travel time, right? So you can accordingly decide for yourself, but minimum 3 hours must be given. As you know, morning time is a high quality brain time because our brain is very active in the morning. So from 6 to 7:15 or 7:30 a.m., at least for 1.5 hour, ensure that you give it for concept learning, understanding the concepts. But please make sure that when you're learning something, you're also making some notes, but no rewriting the books. You don't have to make long notes, just the short notes, right? And why this plan usually works? Because in the morning, your minds are fresh, as I told you, and there is zero college stress. So output and productivity morning mein zyada hota hai for most of the students. But yes, there are always exceptions. There are some students who do not like getting up in the morning. Their productivity is more during the nights. So आप उसे accordingly reverse कर सकते हो. Now, we are also including some college time, the free time that we get in college. Now, please, this should be your ACCA guilt-free time. Don't think that you have to only give college hours to ACCA study. Nothing like that. Koi stress nahi lena hai. So if it is possible for you to squeeze out some of your college time, if your teacher is absent, you have a free period, library time, so theek hai, give it to ACCA study. If you cannot, then also it's fine. No stress here. And then you're going to study at night every day for at least 2 hours from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. after having your dinner, or from 9 to 10:45 p.m. Now, this time should be allotted for practicing of the questions. You have to practice timed MCQs. Section A, Section B, exam style questions hote hain, unhe practice karo. Past exam questions hai, go through that. So allocate this time for practicing. Also allot last 10 minutes of these 2 hours in maintaining a mistake notebook. What mistakes have you done? Why were they wrong? What were the examiner's expectations? That is going to be very, very helpful for you. But at least 10 to 15 minutes every day must also be given for micro revision. जो भी हमने सुबह पढ़ा है उसको quickly revise करना है. So go through the formulas, go through the key definitions, key points, go through the weak areas. 10-15 मिनट के लिए हर रोज रिविजन करनी है. Which means that during the weekdays, every day you must allot minimum 3 hours and maximum 4.5 to 5 hours, because that is what is going to be sustainable with college, manageable with college. Beyond that, it gets stressful. So weekday plan is done. What about weekends? Weekends, we have more time, so we can give at least 5 to 6 hours, and that should be for our revision and practice both. So you can split your 5 to 6 hours. How? Give 2 hours for the revision, revise the week topics plus your summary notes, then 2 hours for timed practice. Practice to kar rahe ho, but make sure that it is timed, timer set karke. So try to solve some past paper, some questions of the past paper, maybe section A of the past paper, section B, things like that, and give 1 hour for error analysis. Trust me, students, if you stick to this plan, if you follow this religiously, so it will become very, very easy for you to manage both your college and ACCA. And finally, the last part of our video, how can we manage both ACCA and college without burnout? So let's discuss some smart strategies to manage both. So first and foremost, try to match your college subjects with ACCA papers. कॉलेज अकाउंटिंग किसे सपोर्ट करती है? ACCA के फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग सब्जेक्ट को, ACCA के फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग सब्जेक्ट को. कॉस्टिंग किसे सपोर्ट करता है? परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट को. बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर एबल टू अलाइन, you are able to see some overlap that is going to save your time. Secondly, you can use your semester breaks wisely. So this is the best time to complete your ACCA syllabus or do strong revision without daily college pressures. So आप semester breaks को ACCA की progress के लिए use कर सकते हो. And then avoid scheduling ACCA exams close to your college exams, because both require different skills, and overlapping dates आपकी performance को reduce कर सकते हैं in both the exams. And equally important, register only for the number of ACCA papers you can revise properly. Registering for 3 to 4 papers, too many papers, that will lead to stress and poor revision. So avoid doing that. Then please do not compare your speed with a full-time ACCA student. Every journey is different and consistency matter करती है more than the speed. So no comparisons. Also use weekends for timed mock test practice. So as we've already discussed that weekends पे practice करना है and give your timed mock test during the weekends and try to review. Giving mock test is important. Reviewing the same is even more important. Further, do not ignore your revision weeks. So weekly revision बहुत जरूरी है. ये भी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं that weekends पे आपको practice भी करना है. 2 hours of practice, 1 or 2 hours of revision also, whatever we've studied during the past weekdays, वो सब आपको revise करना है. And then finally, don't just keep on learning the concept. सिर्फ concepts पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, just building the understanding. That is not enough in ACCA. Practice is what is most essential in ACCA. So my dear students, if ACCA with college is part of your plan, make sure your preparation fits your daily reality. Also, our ACCA courses are designed specifically for college schedules also, with structured planning, regular practice, and exam-focused guidelines. That's why our students are able to manage both college and ACCA without burnout. So if you want to know more details about the courses, you can visit our website www.escholars.in. Also, don't forget to join the live ACCA webinar on 12th February at 5 p.m. Set the reminder, also share it with your friends.